converted 2-bedroom apartment from a 1-bedroom. This is where I got in. On my left is a big closet. And the bathroom and another closet. Let me close the door. This is the bathroom, baño. Here you go. Very nice. Big, huge bedroom with another closet on my left. Let me just open it. A lot of clothes you can put in. I'm turning around. So this is the bedroom. Really, really big. Huge. I'm going back to the door. So that's the entrance door. So you get a sense of it. From the right of the entrance door is the kitchen with a granite countertop and cherry wood. I'm just turning slowly. So this is your living room and kitchen combo. Another small bedroom opens from here. They put a wall up. They divided the living room. They made a small bedroom here. So from this small bedroom, you can see the kitchen and living room combo. You can see they have stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, cherry wood. It's really, really nice. And if I turn to my right, that's the entrance door.